I found the instructions for you simple to follow. All you need to do is prep, check, select, and inject. So the first thing I do is prep my pen with a new needle. I make sure that the label on the pen matches the medicine that I was prescribed to take, and the liquid in the pen is not cloudy. See, it should be clear, like this. Next, I put on a needle. Just pull off the paper tab, push it, and turn till it is on tight. Pull off the outer cap, and then the inner cap. Oh, I almost forgot. Always remembers to use a new needle after each injection. Also shouldn't share needles, Ozempic pen with others, or reuse the needles because of the risk of serious infection. So, since it's a new pen, I need to check the flow. So first, I turn the dose selector to the flow check symbol. Next, press and hold in the dose button until the dose counter shows 0. And the 0 must line up with the dose pointer. A drop of Ozempic will appear at the needle tip. Looks good. Now it's time to select the dose. Again, all you gotta do is turn the dose selector until the dose your doctor prescribed appears in the dose counter. So last time I injected into the skin on my thigh, but you need to rotate where you inject each time.
You could inject into the skin on your stomach.
That's right, and your upper arm too. So once you pick your spot, it's time to inject. Today, I'll be injecting into the skin on my stomach.
Are you nervous about the needle at all?
Maybe I was in the beginning, but it's just become part of my routine. I mean, look how thin this needle is.
Good for you. So it's time to inject?
It is. I just gotta make sure I can see the dose counter first, and then insert the needle into the skin, press and hold the dose button until the dose counter shows 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I just gotta carefully remove the needle and dispose it. You can buy a sharps container or use a hard plastic bottle to throw away needles.
It doesn't look bad at all.
Like I said, it's part of my routine now.